So because this reservoir is so steep, cliffy, whatever you want to call it, the only place that I found where I could realistically put in with my paddleboard was here at the actual boat ramp. And so I just come down and you can see this little teeny rampy thing right there. I stay on this side of it, and that gives me, a lot of stability because, the water's calmed down quite a bit now, but it's still, it's still a little rough, especially right there. You're getting kind of tousled when you're trying to get in and out. But that's where I did it. It's just, I'm walking it. Hold on. Slight pause because some weirdo man just jumped out in front of me. Weirdo. But what I was saying is, even out walking and not tugging that big honking paddleboard when I have, severely non-functioning hands and wrists, even just walking it, I'm getting a little, it's very, very, very hilly here. So I think if I'm going to do this, then by next summer, I've got to do a whole lot more squats, a whole lot more hip strengthening. When you're holding on to it, unless there was a way I could figure out to be in front of it and kind of choo-choo train it around me, you're holding it. Can you see? You're holding it with your arm, right? Because I have to lift it up some on my little ghetto invention. And so that sets off your center of gravity. Can you kind of see what I'm doing here? You end up more like this. So the outside hip, oh my gosh, I could go about 30 steps and then I just have to stop and rub it because it was this is going to pull my hip out of socket, and that's all I need. It's another thing going wrong on me. So I'll see if I can either find something better to use, and I've seen some stuff that hopefully will work because it's paved the whole way. That's better to use, or else again just really start, now that my CRPS is more of a nuisance and less of a complete disabling, that now I'll try to strengthen other parts of my body. The hips, the shoulders, oof. Yeah, they took a hit. The hips, the knees. What's the next part of my body that's going to give out because I've been focusing so much on the hands?